In this video, we will show you how to assemble the hydration system on your PRfive2. To assemble the hydration system on your bike, locate the two screws that sit with the hydration track system. Pull out the adapter with the two screws. This adapter will fit on the underside of your bars, so make sure the screws fit the appropriate size. One screw will be longer than the other. The adapter comes with two screws. Use these screws to attach the slider to the underside of the stem. Make sure they are tightened firmly to 2 to 3 Newton meters. Take the hydration system and slide it into place till it stops. To learn more, check us out at quintanarutry.com.